Welcome to GenieLab. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Photoshop to create anniversary cloth. We will use channels instead of layers for the color separation. I am using Photoshop 2024 in this tutorial, but the steps is however similar in other version. It is advisable to use a logo with higher resolution for this design. Preferably, create your logo in a vector-based software like Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW. Now let's get started. Let's create a new document. At the home page, click on Create New. Now click on Print. Select the paper size. Let's use A3. Select A3. On the right, change the color mode to RGB, then click on Create. Now let's import our logo. Press Windows key plus E to open File Explorer. Navigate to the folder you have your logo in. Select the logo, drag and drop it into your new document created in Photoshop. Press Enter. Right-click on the layer containing the logo. From the menu, select Rasterize Layer. Make sure the layer containing the image is still selected. Press Ctrl plus T and resize your logo. When you're done resizing, press Enter. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the logo. With the Move tool, move the logo to the top corner of your canvas. Press Ctrl plus T and resize it. Press Enter when you're done. Make another duplicate and move it to the bottom corner. Select the Text tool from the toolbox. On the Properties bar, click on the color icon and use the eyedropper to select your preferred color. Change the font type to Arial Black and the size to 36. Click at the space you want to type your text and type your text. When you're done, select the Move tool. Press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate of the text and move it to another space. Now let's merge our layers together. Press Shift and use it to select all the layers, excluding the background. Press Ctrl plus E to merge the layers. On the toolbox, click on the foreground color. Use the eyedropper to select the various colors in the design and write their hex codes on a paper. When you're done, click on Cancel. Make sure you save your work as you're working. Now click on Channels. Click on Select on the menu bar. Click on Color Range. Tick Invert. Use the color picker to select your color and click on OK. Below the Layers panel, click on the Save Selection as Channel icon. Now press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Repeat the process for all different colors. Now, on the menu bar, click on Image. Click on Mode. Then, select Grayscale. When the pop-up appears, click on Flatten. Click on Discard. Now, click on Image again, click on Mode and select Multi-Channel. On the Layers panel, rename your channels. Now let's convert the channels we created to spot colors. Double-click on the channel. Change the color indicator to spot color and the solidity to 100%. Click on the color and type the code you wrote down, then click on OK. Click on OK again. Repeat the process for the other channels except the gray channel. Now let's create our motif. Drag the logo into your Photoshop window. Use the Magic Wand tool or an preferred selection tool to select the part you want to use for your motif. Click Ctrl plus C to copy it. Create a new document and use a custom size of 1 cm by 1 cm. Paste your motif. Make sure the color is black. Now go to Edit, Define Pattern and define it as a pattern. Head back to your actual work. At the Channels panel, click on the bars and select New Spot Channel. Change the solidity to 100% and the color to one of the colors in your logo. Let's fill it with our motif. Head to Edit. Click on Fill. Select Pattern and choose your pattern. Click on OK to fill the channel with your motif. Now change the position of the layer to the top. Let's create a white border around the logo and text. Press and hold Ctrl and click on one of the layers containing the logo colors. When selected on the menu bar, click on Select. Click on Modify and select Expand. Change the expand value to 30 or any preferred expansion. When done, click on OK. Press on Delete. If Fill pop-up appears, change the content to white and click on OK. Repeat the process for the remaining colors. Using the rectangular marquee tool, make a selection at the top of your design. Press and hold Shift and make another selection at the bottom. Press on Delete. Now go to Edit, Fill and choose your pattern. Click OK. Save your design. Now let's export our design to PDF. Click on File. Click Print. Select Microsoft Print to PDF and do the necessary settings. Click on Print. Click on Proceed. Type the name for the file and click on Save.